Hello, fellow traders. It's your boy Javon Foster. We're back at it again with another Forex breakdown. As you guys can see, I'm in a US 30 trade right now, and price is looking beautiful. Now, currently, uh, took some partials and stuff. Currently, $1,000 in profit or so. I'll put the screenshot somewhere, either on the left side of the screen or so. But let's break down this trade and why did I take it, or why did I look to buy. One of the major reasons why I took this trade, if you guys watched my previous video, I caught a beautiful sell trade because I was looking to target this gap right here in this market, and I actually caught this right here and I made all that profit, right? So for the next few days, I was just patiently waiting for proper setup, I thought price was gonna now push over here, but I was waiting for a proper retest. It didn't continue. It never gave me that until later on. As you can see, we had this low, and then price came and gave us higher lows, and then I drew up a trend line here. But while giving me, it was giving us higher lows. I noticed that we also had lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So I drew up my trend lines, guys. As you know, trend lines and support and resistance, which I call structure, is key to trading. It's one of the key factors, right? So right here we have a nice little triangle pattern. So this morning on Forex Factory, we had some high impact news at 8:30, and the market wicked all the way up here, as you can see, and then reject back down. But one of the things I noticed also as well, I noticed that when I applied my market bandit strategy, if you guys stop there real quick, if you guys would like to purchase my market bandit strategy and like to learn how I trade and see, how I view the market. And I view the market in a very simple form, guys. The course is very, it's beginner friendly. It's very clean cut, right? I go from just simple how to create your broker, what is the support and what qualified trend line, what qualified support and resistance. I also talk about the expectation at a supply and demand. There's only 3 types of expectation, guys, to look out for. And once you have those, you understand those key factors, trading becomes a lot more easier. So, but let's finish off breaking down this trade. As you can see, price is running a profit. It's looking beautiful right now. So, I noticed after I applied my market band strategy, price had break my structure there. Even though it wasn't that much above the above the trend line, price did break during my market band strategy. And what I did as well, I switched over to Heikin-Nashi candles. And by switching over Heikin-Nashi candles as well, I'm able to see the volume in that candlestick to know if it's going to be a strong bullish move or not. And once I liked it, I ended up took the trade. But I knew price was gonna, retest back here. So I definitely popped another entry here as well. I had 2 entries up here. Then I popped my 3rd entry here, and then I let them ride. Close out like my first entry around here, my second one here, and I have my 3rd entry running. Okay. So the price, as you can see right now, it's a beautiful triangle pattern, a beautiful break and retest off that pattern, break, retest structure, continuation, nice bullish move. So I definitely expect price now to hit. Now, I didn't touch on the major reason why this is my target all the way up here. Like, why not make this high my target instead of all the way up here? Now, the reason why that's my target, just as I was chasing the gap down here a few days ago, is the same reason I was chasing the gap over here, right here. So as you can see, I have a gap right in this market here. So that right there will be my target, the beginning of that candle right there on the top side. And if you see, once I get anywhere within that zone or even the bottom side of this, the structure area, I'll probably just close completely my trade. Now, this trade I risked 79 points or 790 pips, right? I think, yeah, that's how you count it for US 30. 790 pips or 79 points, right? In other words, if I was risking a micro, that'd be $79 I'm risking. And I went for 3,000 3,000 plus pips, right? That's what I'm going for. In other words, 300 points. My risk to reward, as you can see right here, my risk to reward ratio was a 3.91, right? Currently, I'm in profit, you know, from the first entry, over 2,000 pips in profit, guys. This market is looking beautiful. It completely broke these highs over here, right? It completely broke these highs over here. So the next thing is literally just to go hit my target and close out. Now I am looking at gold sell as well. Um, I see that gold try to break the structure level over here, but it keep failing, right? It made a nice steep drop over here, retest, looking good. Um, the drop right here kind of broke out of some structure here, as you can see, broke below my support and resistance line. But as you can see, price fake back out up in that structure. So I'm looking to actually take a setup if I could get a break and close above here, something very small. If I get a break and close in a small retest candle here, I would definitely look to take it and push it to this level right here, right? Trading from zone to zone, trade it back down to this level here, right? GJ as well. I'm in GJ as well, guys. GJ, as we can see, it kind of, if we go back on the higher time frame, right? You see GJ over here, it broke and retest over here and it pushed to the next high. I was able to capitalize on that early in the week, and now we just broke and retest on this structure over here currently. As you can see here, I'm looking for price to push to this next high, right? And I'm only risking about like 30 pips to make 50, right? 30 to make 50, yeah. So a nice little 1.6 risk reward currently in this trade. So hopefully let's see if this one play out properly. I didn't risk that heavy on this trade because I definitely and we can see a practice break and retest here. I want to see if it holds structure. I didn't risk too much on this trade because I'm definitely not trying to take away all the profits I just made off US 30, right? Kind of under leverage on this trade, which is very good. Traded less than my normal lot. So, and my stop loss is just the body of this candle, the low of that candle. Okay. I like that price. As you notice on this huge bullish candle, price have rejected on the opposite side over there, and we see that it came and did the same thing, touch these areas, right? So now I'm looking for price to just turn around and go hit. As you can see, I have an alert around 20 pips in profit. Guys, just let me know, move stop loss to break even, and let the market run. And that's part of my trading plan as well, guys. If you'd like to learn more, once again, please purchase my course. A lot of gems, a lot of material, guys, that you could benefit from and could simplify your trading in so many ways. Peace.